Hello students. Last presentation we had discussed on introduction of conventional and non-conventional machining process, limitation of conventional machining process, characteristics of conventional and non-conventional machining process, comparison between conventional and non-conventional, need of conventional machining process. So today we will discuss on electric discharge machine EDM. In EDM we cover the introduction, principle of working, setup of EDM, process parameter, advantages of EDM, disadvantages of EDM and application of EDM. Introduction. Whenever sparking takes place between two electrical contacts, a small amount of material is removed from each of contact. This fact is used to produce a spark between tool and workpiece in EDM. So here when you taking a two electrical contact, the spark will get generated and this spark is used to remove the material from the workpiece. It is also known as spark erosion, electro erosion or spark machine. Principle of working. EDM works on the principle that heat energy generated by spark is used to remove material from the workpiece. In this process, an electric spark gap is generated to machine the workpiece to produce the desired shape. The tool and workpiece are separated by a small gap is called as spark gap. This gap varies from 0.01 mm to 0.5 mm. The tool and workpiece both are immersed in the dielectric fluid. When the supply is on, thousands of sparks are produced per second. The duration of each spark is very short. When the spark comes in contact with dielectric fluid, in the spark gap, the fluid gets ionized. It allows current to flow between the tool and workpiece as shown in figure. A very high temperature of around 10,000 degrees Celsius is generated in the spark region. As a result, the material gets melt and is removed from the workpiece. Setup of EDM. A setup of EDM is shown in figure. It consists of the four major components. First, tool and workpiece. Second, dielectric fluid system. Third, RC circuit. Fourth, tool feed mechanism. So, first we will see tool and workpiece. The tool and workpiece is kept in reservoir and is connected to a DC power supply. The tool is connected to negative terminal, so it become a cathode, while workpiece is connected to positive terminal and become a anode. Workpiece can be mounted on machine table and any suitable work holding device like magnetic table, chuck and vice etc. Then dielectric system. The reservoir is filled with dielectric fluid such that the spark gap is immersed on it. Dielectric is continuously flushed into the spark gap. The used dielectric is filtered and recirculated into the reservoir. The dielectric fluid is pumped at pressure of 2 kg per centimeter square or less. We can deuse dielectric fluid by using pump and filter. For circulation, we use pump, and to remove metal chip, we use filter. Tool feed mechanism. Since during the operation both the tool and workpiece are eroded, it is necessary to feed the tool continuously towards the workpiece so as to maintain the spark gap. If we do not maintain gap, then there won't be proper working. Hence, maintaining gap is very important. RC circuit. In RC circuit, resistor R is connected in series and capacitor C is connected in parallel. When the supply is on, the capacitor voltage starts rising continuously. When the capacitor voltage equal to breakdown voltage, a spark discharge will occur in the spark gap. After the capacitor discharge, sparking ceases and the dielectric fluid in the spark gap gets deionized. The capacitor is then recharged and the cycle repeats itself. Resistors are in the circuit prevent the charging of capacitor before the spark gap is deionized. The main process parameter in EDM are supply voltage, breakdown voltage, resistance and capacitance, spark gap setting, pulse duration, spark frequency. This parameter is also known as a controlling parameter. So let us see one by one. First, supply voltage. It is the voltage which is provided by the power supply system. The range between 50 volt to 400 volt DC supply. Next, breakdown voltage. It is the voltage at which the dielectric breakdown. Increasing breakdown, the voltage result in increase of spark energy. So the metal removal rate increases, which result in poor surface finish. Next, resistance and capacitance. Increase in capacitance will result in increase of metal removal rate. Decrease in resistance will result in increase of metal removal rate. Next, spark gap setting. As you see that gap between workpiece and tool has to be maintained. So when decrease in spark gap result in lower metal removal rate. In this case, we maintain the high surface finish and high accuracy. Next, pulse duration. Decrease in pulse duration will result in higher tool wear. Increase in pulse duration result in lower metal removal rate. Next, spark frequency. Spark frequency about 1000 spark per second. The increase in spark frequency result in improved surface finish. Advantages of EDM. Very fine hole can be easily drilled. A very good surface finish can be obtained. Any material can be machined irrespective of its hardness. Any complicated shape can be produced on the workpiece. There is no physical contact between the tool and the workpiece, therefore no stress are produced in workpiece. Disadvantages of EDM. Material remove rate is slow. Overcut is formed. Cannot produce very sharp corner. Power consumption is high. Unable to machine electrically non-conductive material. Application of EDM. die making, aerospace components, farm tools, stamping tools, medical and dental instrumentation, micronozzle and microcavities. Thank you.